Hello everyone. Today we're going to study about vector form of a line segment. So let me first draw x, y and z axis. So this is our y axis, x axis and z axis. This is our z axis, this is our y axis and this is our x axis. Now let me consider a line. So I'm taking a random line. Let's say this is our random line. Now we are given 2 points in this line. Let's say we are given a point P in this line and we are given another point Q in this line. Now we have to find the vector form of this PQ line segment. You get me? You have to find the line segment of PQ. So let me first consider a position vector. Let's say this is O point. So let me first draw a position vector OP. I'm taking a position vector OP. Let's name it by R0, and I'm taking another position vector OQ and I'm naming it by R1. So if I ask you what is the direction from P to Q, so the direction of P to Q becomes direction of PQ. So direction of P to Q becomes R1 minus R0. Easy. So this is the direction from P to Q. Okay, we get the direction. Now if I want to find the general vector form of the whole line, then the equation becomes, now I am determining the whole equation of the line. So the line equation becomes R equal to, let us go to P point first. So to go to P point we have to take the position vector R0 plus any parameter t multiplied by the direction P to Q. That means R1 minus R0. We have first went to P, then we have to go from P to Q, then we took the direction. Now this indicates the whole line. How? Let me explain. If let's say t is equal to 1, 2 or some positive quantity, then it will indicate this direction. If t is some positive quantity 0.5, 1, 2, this will indicate this direction, this to this direction. If the value of t is negative, then this will indicate this direction. If -1, -0.5, -2, this will indicate this direction. And for a particular value of t, let's say if t is equal to 1, 2 or 3, you can reach some point like this or this or this. Let's say if t is equal to 2, you might reach this point. If t is equal to 3, you might reach this point. And if on the other hand, if t is equal to -2, then you can reach this point. If -3, then you can reach that point. So that is the function of t. So that is our general line equation, but we are interested to find the equation of this line segment PQ. Now how to do it? We have to find the uh, equation of this line segment PQ. Now if let's say t is equal to 0, if t is equal to 0, then the equation becomes, t is equal to 0, then it will become R0, just R0. This will become 0. And if t is equal to let's say 1, then the equation becomes R0. I am putting t equal to 1 and opening the bracket, then R1 minus R0. So R0 and R0 get cancelled out, so it remains with just R1. So R becomes R1. So in this case, when t equal to 0, then it indicates R0. So R0 is P point. So we are at P point. When t equal to 0, we are at P point. And when t equal to 1, then the value of R becomes R1. And R1 is the position vector of OQ. That means it indicates Q point. So when t is equal to 0, it indicates p point. When t is equal to 1, that indicates q point. So when the value of t varies from 0 to 1, it will simply indicate this line segment. You are getting my idea? So the equation of this PQ line segment just becomes R equal to R naught plus T R1 minus R naught, under the condition of this: when the value of t is greater or equal to 0 and less or equal to 1, then this will indicate the PQ line segment. So this is the final equation of the PQ line segment under the condition of this. So this condition is very important, you have to remember it. So thank you very much, thank you for watching.